Ye kotoko hene. Ohene omahenia ya kono. Omahenie eso bamfaso ama akan. Abusu yakuo no ene Ghana nyina. Ya ohene. Benkum ene nefa nyina ya wodea. Benkum nefa ya wodea ohene. Onu obia ni chempe. Ohene. Na Money say Supreme Court. Supreme Court say when you're 150 years into almost celebrity anniversary. Na omo anniversary so no Kumasi, the seat of the Asantehene and omo de koy eye Manhyia. Ti like I say opem so be kasa kakra. Now opem so speech of mine no say be ama okrom hene. Ama okrom hene. So no so anwuna nkwa akire anka asema abawoma. Okrom hene hini no mse abafom. Okrom hene e dia hini na koche. Because obia be hu se okrom hene kasa ababe yanim. Opem so ama great speech bi kai shanin so so okohu IGP opem so e konkran. Ghana police fo nyina so ye kese no police headquarters eto nsa from so no ensem o kan ma hu sampa ahenie na we ne fe no hene we ne ohene pon we ne fe no pem so no we ne yetumi wura we ni adwene ni nyansa ohene kese asa kasa bi na de no kan was it justice delayed in matters of stool and skin? It's not justice denied to the individual claimant, but stability denied to the entire community. Se mo fane say ye ka ahinsem anase ahini ho asem o court na obi fane say omma pepepe yono enkoso omma ne kreme de intentema enye nipa na o pepepe yono anase o person ne krebe de adi o wa asrem no na mo ha no de mum ekro no ba bia nipa no o se ye enskin no ba bia o se ye bona kunwa no ye ka se we ni kro no wura anase kro hene no anase ohene a wo kro mu ha no sa kro no na mo ha wo mu enye nipa ba ko pe bi na mo ha no opem so Dormaahene ya kono adwene ni nyansa no abroso o say tie biem opem so say we celebrate above all the fact that these two institutions, that is the palace and the courtroom, have chosen dialogue over confrontation. It is the product of successive generations of chiefs and politicians who understood that the strength of our republic lies not in the triumph of one system of authority over the other, but in the principle of coexistence. Iyo hene wanawo nyansa adwene de die kunwa de nana omana daddy omana broso wama obi kro mehene abaya abofra wama obi kro mehene abaya sakura efe na yegene tata efe so no de okasa ontimi mfa ken ento kenso nse da bia obedede ohempon opem so kotoko hene say there are no family allodial lands in Asanteman. Therefore, families and individuals may only hold leasehold or usufructory interest in Asanteman, but never allodial interest. So, besasasi we, dadu we, wa Asanteman, asasi we wa Asante, wa fana kura ene dia, bini Asante sa, lease, ana Asante bitme lease land na ma. And I say more usufructory interest. na sasa asane wo dia tra sa de bi no sa asem we no pimso na de bo e woda dada enso ya lawyer for no ene ya judge for no ayo mo so munnim se Asanteman anase baabi for Asante baabi Asante koduru bia Asante nkuru ewo wura Asante nkuru ewo buno de wo ahafo de wo na Asante region any baabi Asante koduru bia no you can only have a usufructuary right and as a leasehold. That's also a allodial title of a land in Tessa. When it comes to the registration process for chiefs, CD forms pass through the regional House of Chiefs, which act as a conveyor belt or a conduit for the transmission of forms for registration and nothing more. It is so regional House of Chiefs be ye bo be hene eni pan ya Asante ana ni pan e de bekọ ba Asante so into what bono ana what western ana so what Accra ana so what eastern say one and on a year regional House of Chiefs the president into one pena eni pan onim de oye am say school no ko no wan nyanto boss yensua de ebia amanyako bi na aba ene ebia nipa na aba ye popular emom nipa nkan hu say when it comes to the registration process for chiefs, CD forms pass through the regional House of Chiefs, which act as a conveyor belt or conduit for the transmission of the forms for registration and nothing more. So these CD forms National House of Chiefs. And then just now bohine, and I say, I was a crew be wase. A chrono a mamma and Manhyia Council no ebia a Asante crew. The CD forms now they call on say, I was a circle in the wase. And I saw now becase a chrono emisra in chiro. There be. And I said was a chrono. And I'm so the chiefs no CD form no call. Baby also the continue. I was a chrono and it's a okwa Asante beam. It needs a chrono kwa Asante beam. Nti banfam famis wa bentimi nsi hene. Ohene ontimi fa ken entoke so. Nti da bia okasa. Odo ohene bi CD forms eko National House of Chiefs. I was so busa who say customarily, traditionally nipa no one no ohene. And the questions of Busa. Busa was a dint in the panels of Bosma Santia was in ye. Dintia. Visa one de CD forms in the Bako. Ona de Sa chief in the CD forms of Bako and Granty. Yan fan fa was so any penalty by your hen. Eh, Katachi, you are just a conduit. You are a conveyor belt. A more hene and in Sihene. Opem Swakasa. Santamera Casa. Open so adwene nyansa abotre a yedidi akunya abotre a yedidi mpanini ana womana yefe womana broso Asanteman da wase enchirima be kae nyuma obayama Asante odin fatao e fatawa kono open so but the mewo you are primus inter paris ahofe a oda dodo mu but the mewo na ebe kae onchi wonuma sem ena suapomofo de besua de daachi bia woni ho a ewiase nyina be ho se papa speech bia obama na Canada speech bia obama na UN speech bia obama na Suriname speech bia otama na Ghana speech bia obama na America Memphis and Washington nana omun shia ohene nyansafo bitisa woda ehun obebrum baabi obeduru bia na usunsum atoni paso enti ebimu se yebetan ebimu se omun ti Asante influence na Asante greatness ase enso omoye kwa densiamoa enso beye boda yi a ohene ɔmahini ayɛ fɛ nana dada ho mpanyina tena ase dwumadie ni dwumadie ɔpem so no masɛm ɔkae no menim sɛ yɛ wo dɛ efisɛ wontimi nka sɛ wopɛ ana wompɛ ɔpem so na akasa kɔtɔkɔhene na akasa etwa tia obiara ntimi nya ho hwee nana yɛda wase